How to fix Samsung Smart TV turning on and off. So the first step you could do in order to fix your issue is that perform a power cycle by unplugging your TV for 60 seconds, and you could also check for loose HDMI cables. And then another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that go to settings, and from here go to all settings. Now from here, go to General and Privacy. Now from here, select Power and Energy Saving. Now from here, swipe down below. Now over here, first of all, make sure that the toggle for auto power saving is turned off. In my case, it's already turned off. Now over here, you can see the option of auto power off. Make sure that this option is off as well. After that, you can see the option of sleep timer. Make sure you check all these options and that they are turned off. Follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.